Hi, I'm Nelson from Dundas. This video tutorial is just one of the videos that we'll be producing to help you understand the features and benefits of Dundas Dashboard. In this video, I'll be taking you through the process of connecting Dundas Dashboard to a SQL Server data source. I hope you enjoy it. The sample project that we'll be using throughout these video tutorials is called Synatica Dashboards. This project and the SQL Server 2005 database that we'll be using in this video is also featured in our online demo, our dashboard overview and designer videos, and the sample that comes with the Dundas Dashboard installation. The first step in implementing a dashboard project is to connect to a data source by creating a data connector. Let's start off by going to the sidebar and expanding data connectors. We're going to organize all of the objects that we'll be creating in this video series in folders called Tutorial. Let's hover over the Tutorial folder, click on its context menu, and create a new data connector within it, called 1.01 Connect to SQL. This will bring up the data connector screen in the content pane. Let's add a description for this data connector. In the additional info box, if you have a web page that will provide future users with more information about this data connector, you can enter the URL here. This feature has been deployed throughout Dundas Dashboard to help you direct users to web pages that will give them more information about an object. The Provider drop-down menu allows you to choose from a list of compatible data providers, including SQL Server, Microsoft Access, Oracle, or MySQL. You can even connect Dundas Dashboard to flat files and CSVs. We're going to use SQL Server for this example. Next, enter your server name in the server name text box. You'll notice as you type that the text box will automatically recommend compatible servers that correspond with your spelling. Dundas Dashboard supports both Windows Integrated Security and SQL Server Security. In this example, we're going to go with SQL Server Security. Next, we'll type in the database name in the database name text box, which you'll notice also has autocomplete enabled. Dundas Dashboard also supports caching, which you can set up and configure in the Caching tab. Now that we've finished setting up the data connector, let's click on Test Connection to verify that everything works. Click on Save to save this data connector. And then click on Yes to allow Dundas Dashboard to automatically discover this database's data schema. Now that discovery is successful, items for any tables, views, functions, or stored procedures found in this data source will appear in the Design Explorer as child items of our newly created data connector. Let's take a look at one of these tables by expanding the data connector in the sidebar, clicking on its context menu, and then choosing View. Here you'll find table definitions in the Definition tab, and you can preview this table by going to the Preview tab, selecting however many records you want to see, and then clicking on Refresh. We've now successfully created a data connector. That concludes this video tutorial. Don't forget to click on this screen's links to access additional tutorials, our online demo, or to download a full evaluation copy, all available on www.dundas.com. Thanks, and I hope you enjoy Dundas Dashboard.